Good day to everybody, dear students. Let's begin our English lessons, and I'm your English teacher, Murtabayba Barnas Darna. And today our topic is free in New York City. New York City is situated in America, and it is one of the most important, one of the most famous, beautiful cities in America, in the world, I can say. So, and today our lesson is consists of these parts: learning vocabulary, listening, present continuous, and going to for the future. And we have some exercises for your home tasks. Students, please be active, do all tasks and examples, and do yourself home tasks. So, in vocabulary, we have some vocabulary. For example, first of all, let's do some discussions or um, some kind of our minds about New York City. What do you know about New York City? Do you like this city, or do you want to go to there? And have you been ever maybe in your past time, or do you have some friends or relationship that have has been in there? And let's share if you have some kind of emotions or some kind of comments, and write yourself such kind of like summary or like short story maybe in New York City. So, and the vocabulary, we have some vocabulary according to our lessons, and you should complete the words with the verbs have, go, get, see, go to. We have 5 sentences, and you should complete these sentences with the verbs have, go, get, see, go, or to. And be attentively and write on your copy these vocabulary tasks. So, next one, listening. Listen to the radio program, answer for these questions. Now, I will give, I will put some kind of listening on our topic lessons, and you should answer for these questions after our listening task. But after this, just wait a little time. So, and from grammar, our topic is present continuous for future. First of all, present continuous is period time in is going to at this moment. Yes, for example, present continuous. I'm doing something at this moment. I'm teaching from English at this moment. Yes. If we do questionary to be, we should put at the beginning of the sentences, and if we do negative sentence after to be, we should put not. Yes, you know it. So study these exam situations. This is Tom's diary for next week. He's playing tennis on Monday afternoon. He's going to the dentist on Tuesday morning. He's having dinner with Anne on Friday. In all these examples, Tom has already decided and arranged to do these things. Use the present continuous to say what you have already arranged to do. Do not use the present simple with do. Yes. And what are you doing on Saturday evening? Not what do you do, because it's already arranged plan, yes. And I'm going to the theater, not I go. What time is Cassie arriving tomorrow? At 10:30. I'm meeting here at the station. So copy out these rules for the present continuous for future. So to be going to for future. What does it mean to be going to? First of all, let's remember on your past time at school, at life, when you got some kind of information, you taught this topic, yes. To be going to is to do something, or you are planning to do something in your future time. For example, I'm going to do something. I have already decided to do it. I intend to do it. There is a film on television tonight. Are you going to watch it? No, I'm tired. I'm going to have an early night. I hear Ruth has won some money. What is she going to do with it? And she's going to buy a new car. Have you made the coffee yet? I'm just going to make it just right at this moment. This food looks horrible. I'm not going to eat. Then it's better. So we have some exercises. For example, a friend of yours is planning to go on holiday soon. You ask her about her plans. Use the words in brackets to make your questions. We have some 6 questions. We should make our questions using in brackets. And next exercise, answer the questions. You are going to do all these things, but you haven't done them yet. Use going to and the word in brackets. Have you cleaned the car? Have you phoned Sally? Have you done the shopping? Have you read a paper? Have you had a dinner? And your homework on task. Read sentences and answer the questions. I'm going to see a free art exhibition. I'm meeting a friend, and etc. So I'm going to see some live music. I'm sorry, we have some problems. Vocabulary, yes. We have vocabulary. Where is our vocabulary? Homework. Last task. So do this homework on your copybook and send me your all tasks that you have done, and let's do listening. We have here listening.
Unit 3. Time out. Recording 1.
You probably think there's nothing to do for free in New York, right? Well, New York may be one of the most expensive cities in the world, but if you look carefully, there are still lots of fun things to do that will cost you next to nothing or may even be free. We sent 2 journalists, Raphael and Carmen, out onto the streets of New York with just $20 to spend. Their challenge was to organise a great day out but not go over their budget. Let's listen to their plans. Raphael?
Yes?
Raphael, hi. Can you tell us what you're planning to do with your $20?
Hi, yes. Well, actually, I'm going to start the day with a delicious bagel from a great bagel shop I've discovered on 3rd Avenue. They are really cheap and tasty. Then I'm going to spend the morning in Central Park. The park is filled with free events and street musicians, so I'm just going to listen to music and watch people. In the afternoon, I'm going to the Museum of American Finance. You have to pay to go in, but I'm really interested to find out about the history of American banking. After that, I'm taking the Staten Island ferry. It's free, and it's a great way to see views of New York from the water. In the evening, I'm going to see some live music on 2nd Avenue. I'll need to buy one drink, but the music is free.
That sounds great, Raphael. Enjoy the day.
Thank you. I'm sure I will.
Okay, so Raphael has chosen bagels, Central Park, the Finance Museum, and live music in the evening. Let's hear about what Carmen is planning for her day. Carmen.
Hi.
Carmen, can you tell us what you've planned for your day in New York City?
Yes, of course. I'm really excited because I'm going to the High Line to see some sculptures and just walk around and see what's happening.
The High Line? What's that?
It's an old railway track. Now it's used as a park and there are lots of different activities and artists there. It's a really peaceful and beautiful place, right in the middle of the city. Lots of people go jogging there. I'm not going running though. I'm going to see a free art exhibition. After that, I'm going to Times Square. It's such a famous place, and there are a lot of tourists there, but I really like the atmosphere. And there's an Italian restaurant that does the best cheesecake just nearby. So I'm going to have something to eat. And then in the evening, I'm meeting with a friend and we're going to a free hip-hop class. I'm going to learn to dance like a real New Yorker.
Wow, that sounds good. So first you're going to eat cheesecake and then you're going dancing, right?
Exactly.
That sounds like a great plan. So 2 great plans there. Which would you choose?
So, did you listen our listening class? What you should do from this listening class? You should write translating. You should translate of this text from English to your own language. So, and learn by heart all our today's new words and vocabulary. So, goodbye to everybody. Please be active, be attentively, and do all tasks that I gave you. Goodbye to everybody.